Assalamu alaikum. We are going to start with poem number 2, Tartary by Walter de la Mare. You have to learn the title of the poem and also the spellings of the name of the poet. These are important for reference, for writing reference. And in the first stanza, the poet says, "If I were Lord of Tartary, myself and me alone, my bed should be of ivory, of beaten gold my throne, and in my court should peacocks flaunt, and in my forests tigers haunt, and in my pools great fish slant their fins athwart the sun." So, this poem is a wish, a strong desire of the poet to become the lord of an imaginary place called Tartary. टार्टरी हकीकत में कोई जगह नहीं है, ये उसका एक फ़र्ज़ी दुनिया है, इमेजिनरी लैंड है जो पोइट ने अपने माइंड में इमेजिन की है एंड ही विशेस कि वो उस जगह का बादशाह हो, माई सेल्फ एंड मी अलोन। और जब वो उस जगह का बादशाह होगा, उसकी डिज़ायर है कि उसका बेड जो है दैट शुड बी ऑफ आइवरी। आइवरी मीन्स हाथी दांत, उसको वाइट कलर का होता है। इट्स ऑल्सो प्रेशियस, इट्स अ प्रेशियस मटीरियल। ही विशेस कि उसका बेड जो है वो हाथी दांत का हो, आइवरी का हो। ऑफ बीटन गोल्ड माई थ्रोन, और सोने से बना उसका तख्त हो। और उसके कोर्ट में, दरबार में पीकॉक्स फ्लॉन्ट करते हो। फ्लॉन्ट इज़ टू डांस, टू डिस्प्ले, टू एग्जिबिट, टू शो ऑफ। सो पीकॉक्स, ही विशेस दैट पीकॉक्स वुड डांस इन हिज कोर्ट। पीकॉक इज़ अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल बर्ड। इसके feathers बहुत कलरफुल and you can say it's very it looks marvelous when it opens its feathers. And in my forests tigers haunt. He wishes to be the lord of Tartary and wishes to be the owner of all these things. He wishes that there would be forests in this imaginary land of Tartary and tigers would haunt there. Haunt is to, you can say haunt, to make, to scare away. Another meaning of haunt is also to visit frequently. And in my pools great fish slant. So he wishes that there would be a great pool and in which a great fish, many kind of fish would swim over there. Slant is to, you can say slanting hona, tircha, tira hona. And their fins athwart the sun. Their fins would be pointing towards the sun. उनकी डायरेक्शन सन की तरफ होगी, अक्रॉस होगी. So he wishes all these things. In the second stanza he says, "If I were lord of Tartary, trumpeters every day to every meal would summon me, and in my courtyard bray, and in the evening lamps would shine, yellow as honey, red as wine, while harp and flute and mandolin." So he again wishes for new kind of things. He wishes that if he was the lord or the ruler and the king of Tartary, खाने पे उसको हर वक्त trumpeters बजाया, trumpeters अपने trumpet बजा के बुलाया करेंगे. Summon means to call. And in my courtyard bray, और उसके दरबार में music, bray is the sound of a donkey but over here it means के sound of music होगा. And in the evening lamps would shine, yellow as honey, red as wine. And in the first poem was leisure. उसमें हमने पढ़ा कि man is so busy that he cannot enjoy the pleasures of life. And in this poem we feel that there is a criticism on modern man कि उसकी life इतनी busy है, इतनी occupied है different kind of works में कि he cannot in different kind of work and different kind of labor and work, and so that he has no time to you can say get some kind of rest or leisure, and that he can only get in his imagination. किसी किस्म का leisure, किसी किस्म की luxury, rest उसके पास नहीं है. So that is why the poet has got so intense imagination. He can only get these things in his imagination. And there is, you can say, strong pictorial quality over here. We can even imagine these things. Yellow as honey, red as wine. Colors used in this poem are very bright. While harp and flute and mandolin, these are all names of musical instruments. Harp, flute, mandolin. These he says कि उसके कोट में होंगे. There will be music over there. There will be color over there. He has a great or intense desire to get some kind of leisure, luxury, rest, some kind of, you can say, merrymaking, and these things he cannot get in real life. So he is only daydreaming, and he is using his imagination to escape from the bitter reality of life. Then in the third stanza, he wishes that if I were Lord of Tartary, I would wear a robe of beads, white and gold and green, and they would be, and clustered thick as seeds, and ere should wane their morning star, I had done my robe and Skittimar, and zebra 7 should draw my car through Tartary's dark glades. So, this again, his imagination is continued over here. He wishes to be the Lord of Tartary, and he wishes that if he would be the Lord of Tartary, बादशाह होगा इस फर्जी दुनिया का टार्टरी का. तो उसकी रोब, उसका जो लबादा होगा, लॉन्ग रोब इज़ अ लॉन्ग ड्रेस, ऊपर से नीचे तक वो बीड्स का बना हुआ होगा. बीड्स में कौन से कलर आ रहे होंगे? वाइट, गोल्ड, ग्रीन कलर्ड बीड्स, और क्लस्टर्ड थिकेस्ट सीड्स, और इतने गहरे लग रहे होंगे जितने बीज होते हैं. और जैसे ही मॉर्निंग स्टार निकला करेगा, आई वुड वेयर माई रोब एंड माई स्किटिमार इज़ अ शॉर्ट sword. He would wear his robe, his dress, royal dress early in the morning, and he would hold his short sword, छोटी सी तलवार, खंजर उसको लिया करेगा, and zebra 7 should draw my cart. Or he would also attach his, you can say, you can say he would go to a ride in a cart or in a carriage driven by 7 horses, 7 zebras, zebras 7 horses नहीं कह रहा, वो zebras को कह रहा है कि zebras चलाएंगे मेरी cart. So this is a very unusual wish, fanciful, you can say, thoughts and images, and fanciful imagination he has got through Tartary's dark glades. Or early in the morning, he would be traveling in his royal carriage, which would be driven by 7 zebras through Tartary's glades. Glades कहते हैं वादियाँ, valleys. Then in the very last stanza, he wishes that when he would be the king of Tartary, the sole ruler and lord of that imaginary land, he would be the owner of the fruits of Tartary as well. Her river's silver pale, he would be the sole owner of all the fruits, all the rivers, lord of the hills of Tartary. He would be the lord of all the hills of that imaginary land called Tartary, glen, thicket, wood, and dale. And then he would be the ruler of all the valleys. Glen is valleys, and thicket is, you can say, forests, and dale भी वादी को ही कहते हैं. So and then he says, her flashing stars, her scented breeze, I would be the sole owner of all the flashing stars and the scented sweet smelling breeze जो हवा का झोंका जो उधर टार्टरी में से गुजरता है. I would be the owner of all that flashing stars and her breeze, and the trembling lakes like foamless seas. Foamless is without foam. Lakes का owner होऊंगा मैं, seas का. And her bird lighted citron trees, or citron are citrus trees, you can say orange trees or citrus fruit trees जो birds भी जिनको पसंद करती हैं. So he would be the owner of all these places. In every purple veil अब उसने बोला है. So this poem is full of colors. Purple color की वादियाँ में भी because of the color of the flowers in that valley, he has called that valley a purple valley. So he says that when I will be the lord of that imaginary land, I will be the lord of all the fruits, all the silver rivers, all the hills, all the valleys, forests, and all the valleys. Dale is also valley. All the stars, the scented breeze, trembling lakes, and all the citron trees. I and only I, myself, me, myself alone will be the owner of all these things. So this is just his imagination, his wish, his strong desire, and he because I again said that जैसे leisure में था थोड़ा सा कि ये modern man's life is too busy to you can say even look around himself. So this poem also reflects the desire of the poet of things which he cannot achieve in real life. So he has gone lost in his imagination as a means of escaping from the bitter reality of life. Coming to the question answers, I'll send you some questions through, you can say, text message.